Hello everyone, this is Arduino temperature monitor project. In this project, we are going to use Dht11 sensor and Arduino. Before going into the project, let's know briefly about Dht11. Dht11 is a digital temperature and humidity sensor that contains calibrated digital signal output of temperature and humidity. It is connected with a high performance 8-bit microcontroller, and it has 3 pins: VCC, ground and data. Its humidity measurement range is 20 to 90% RH. Temperature measurement range is 0 to 60 degrees Celsius. Output digital signals indicating temperature and humidity. Temperature measurement accuracy is plus or minus 2 degrees Celsius. Humidity measurement accuracy is plus or minus 5% RH. It works at voltage of 5 volts. It is reliable, cheap and has long-term stability. There is also Dht12, which is more expensive version of the same Dht11 with a better humidity ranging from 0 to 100% with 2 to 5% accuracy, while the Dht11 has 20 to 80% with 5% accuracy. Dht22 can measure from minus 40 to 125 degrees Celsius with 0.5 degrees Celsius as accuracy, and its operating voltage is same as Dht11, that is 3 to 5 volts, and maximum current during measuring is also same as Dht11, that is 2.5 milliamps. Coming to the hardware circuit, Dht11 has 3 pins: VCC, ground and data pin. VCC of Dht11 is connected to 5 volts of Arduino pin using the red jumper wire, and ground is connected to Arduino ground pin with black jumper wire, and data terminal is connected to 2 second pin, that is digital second pin of Arduino board using blue jumper wire. Coming to the connections, Dht11 has 3 pins, that is VCC, data and ground. VCC is connected, that is rightmost, is connected to 5 volts of Arduino, and ground of Arduino is connected using jumper wire, and leftmost is the ground, and the middle brown jumper wire is data, is connected to second pin. This is the hardware connections. Coming to the explanation, I'm connecting my Arduino board to PC, and I'm dumping my code into the Arduino board. The code is successfully uploaded. Now I'm going to open serial monitor on my laptop at the top right corner and see the output. Now the temperature is 33.70 degrees Celsius, and in the Fahrenheit it's 92.84 degrees Fahrenheit. This is my present room temperature. Coming to the code, we have to install or include the library of DHT. So to do that, we have to go to Sketch, include library, manage library, search for DHT. Install DHT sensor library by Adafruit. It provides Dht11, Dht22, etc. temperature and humidity sensors. So I have already installed it. Coming to the code, I am including DHT, which I have already installed, and I am defining second pin, that is D2 of Arduino is connected to data pin. So I am declaring or defining DHT pin as 2, and as I am using Dht11, I am declaring DHT type as defining DHT type as Dht11. If you are using Dht22, you can do the same. It is a DHT function with DHT pin and DHT type as variable, and I am giving it to this is of DHT type. In the setup, I am using begin function, which comes to this loop with 2000 milliseconds, that is 2 seconds, as measurement gap. Here, read temperature is a main function of DHT library, which is used to measure the temperature of the room in degrees Celsius, and I am storing this in T of type variable, type float. And if you want to read the temperature in Fahrenheit, you have to just use same read temperature and use true, which makes the output in the values of Fahrenheit. So I am seeing both the values. So I am storing this value in the F, which is a float data type. If both the values are not an integer, then I am showing it as failed to read from DHT sensor. Or else, if it's not, then I am showing the percentage temperature with T and its units as degrees Celsius, and percentage F shows Fahrenheit. So yeah, now it shows with units. Coming to isNaN function. IsNaN function checks whether the given value, that is T in this case, it's whether a number or not. NaN stands for not a number. So it checks whether it's a number or not. If it's not, then its isNaN is true, which represents it does not or failed to read from DHT sensor. You can find this code in the description. This is my project, and